Hey gang, it's Matt. Happy Sunday morning. It is a cool, crisp 84 degrees with 94% humidity, headed up to a balmy 95 degrees this afternoon, which is why I'm in the garage and not out in the woods. Today, we're going to participate in something that my buddy Trailblazer Tim over to Creative Outdoorsman has set up, and it's called the SPAMtember Challenge. If you don't know about Trailblazer Tim and the Creative Outdoorsman, I'm going to leave a link to his channel right up here in the upper right hand corner. Go check out his channel and subscribe. He does some great stuff. But he's got a SPAMtember Challenge going on. Show us your favorite spam recipe, and he's got some really good prizes, and he's going to do a giveaway at the end of the SPAMtember Challenge. So go over and check him out and do it. But I'm going to do one of my favorite things to do is a fried spam and cheese sandwich, easily recreatable on the trail, and it's going to be really, really easy. So let's go on back and get this spam cooking. Okay, here we go. We're set up to start our SPAMtember Challenge. We got our stove all set up. We're going to cook it up in a little 6.5 inch cast iron pan that I have. This is one of my favorite things to take on the trail. We got that, we got the stove, we got our spam single, which is going to fit perfect on our Sammich. Okay, we got a couple pieces of cheese, of course, a couple pieces of bread, and we got some butter, because butter is like butter. The only thing that's better than butter is more butter. So, and we're going to top it off with some yellow mustard. All right, so let's get this thing cooking. Okay, our butter's sizzling. We're gonna grab a piece of our bread, get it all nice and toasty on one side. Oh yeah. Okay, our bread, how's our bread looking? Ooh, not bad, not bad. We're gonna give it just a few more seconds and then we're gonna get it off of there. Okay, looks like our bread is ready to come off. All right. Not bad at all. Now, we need to get a little bit more butter in there. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, look at that butter. Ooh. All right. Now, we're going to start toasting up slice number 2. All right, let's see how this looks. All right, we're ready to go. Now we're ready to put the spam together. All right, here we go. Got our spam single. If I can get it open. Gotta get this dude open. Oh yeah. Here is our luscious spam single. Now, what we got is, we got one side of the bread toasted, one side of the bread not toasted. So what we're gonna do is, we're gonna get us a slice of cheese and put it on the toasted side. We're gonna put our spam on. We're going to put another slice of cheese on, and we're going to put the toasted side down. So we're going to retoast the insides, and now we're going to put this baby in the pan. All right, this is not going to take very long to toast on both sides because of the heaviness of the Sammich is weighting it down. So we're going to give that a few seconds. Keep checking. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Oh yeah. Oh man. The spam is cooking. The cheese is melting. This is almost like a jaffle, but it ain't a jaffle. All right, and we are done. Oh yeah. All right, let's eat. Okay, here we go. Fried spam and cheese sandwich. We're gonna put a little bit of brown mustard on there. Okay. But you know, something that would make it even a little bit better is just a drop of hot sauce. Just a drop. Let's see if we can get this up here. Yeah. Just a drop of hot sauce. Now, let's cut this guy. Oh man, this looks good. Okay, here we go. I can't wait. Fried spam and cheese sandwich. Oh man, look at the layers. Isn't that cool? This needed no refrigeration for anything. Maybe the cheese a little bit, but you could easily recreate this on the trail. Oh man, that's great. A little hot sauce on there. Could use a little more hot sauce. I took it easy since this is breakfast sandwich. So, look at that. Man. Okay, so here's my entry for the SPAMtember challenge. A fried spam and cheese sandwich. Easily recreatable on the trail. Minimal refrigeration required. Remember, do your SPAMtember video and submit it to my buddy Trailblazer Tim over to Creative Outdoorsman. I'm going to leave another link to his channel right up here. And all right, everybody, let's see your SPAMtember challenge. Man, this is very tasty. And once again, this is Matthew, Florida Boy, and I will see you on the trail.